Hello, and welcome to SuiteMigration. SuiteMigration is a powerful tool that drastically reduces your NetSuite migration timelines and project risk. Let's walk through some of its key features and benefits. This is our SuiteMigration workspace, where we manage which team members have access to SuiteMigration and set up new projects for our customers. From the project screen, we can create a new project or open any of the projects we're already working on. Let's look at a project where we're migrating customer data from QuickBooks Online to NetSuite. On the project page, we can see every data migration that's been performed as part of this project. For each one, we can see the source and destination orgs, as well as the destination subsidiary in NetSuite. On the migration page, we can see our active source, QuickBooks, and our active destination, NetSuite, along with a summary of the total number of records in the source org. Next, let's head to the Rules and Actions section to check for any validation issues we might hit while moving our data into NetSuite. From the Rules and Actions page, we can check for issues that could stop some of our QuickBooks data from migrating into NetSuite successfully. As an example, let's run a validation test to check for invalid alternate phone numbers in our QuickBooks data. Our validation test found one customer with a poorly formatted alternate phone number. Let's see which customer it is. Here's the customer, and SuiteMigration has highlighted exactly which data has the issue. Now let's look at how all of our validation issues can be collated into a single report. After you've run all of your validation tests, SuiteMigration collates everything into a validation report. You can export it as an HTML report with links straight back to each problem record. It's an excellent report for NetSuite consultants to share with customers, so they can help fix the flagged data. Next, let's see how SuiteMigration helps you map metadata between your source and destination orgs before the migration begins. The Metadata Mapping screen lets us map metadata from our source org to the matching NetSuite metadata in the destination. There are tabs for all the important metadata types, including payment terms, customer categories, tax codes, classes, and more. Let's see how SuiteMigration can use AI to automatically map the payment terms to values in NetSuite. Here we can see that SuiteMigration's Auto Map by AI feature has accurately mapped all of the payment terms. Now let's move some data. In the Data Records section of our migration, we select the category of data we want to move. We've selected customers. Let's start by pushing a single customer to NetSuite. We can see this customer was successfully migrated because we now have a NetSuite ID in the first column. We can click that ID to open the record directly in NetSuite. And here's our customer record, successfully created in NetSuite. Click Next to return to SuiteMigration. You'll notice SuiteMigration provides a Push All button in the upper right of every data record page. Pressing it pushes all the records for that data type at once. Next, let's look at how you can report on and migrate important data like trial balances. SuiteMigration includes statements for trial balances, profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow for both the source and destination orgs. Here we can see the trial balances from our QuickBooks org, and with the Push All button, those trial balances migrate from QuickBooks to NetSuite seamlessly. Now let's take a look at SuiteMigration's reconciliation reports. SuiteMigration provides reconciliation reports for trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flow. Each report compares the source to the destination, so you can verify that everything reconciles properly. These reports are a great way to give your customers peace of mind once their data migration is complete. Thanks for taking a look at SuiteMigration. SuiteMigration turns complex data migrations into a clear, step-by-step journey, giving your team full visibility from data extraction to validation, so every project finishes faster and with less risk. You can visit SuiteMigration.com to experience our interactive demo or schedule a call with one of our product experts.